Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. So in today's video, I'm making a tutorial on how to measure out your 6x6 closure net and also how to sew it. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and also drop your comments at the comment section.
See my hair, they bounce. Fresh and style, no glue, no wahala. Stephanie touch. Now the magic for the matter. If you try them once, you go call back forever. Baby, shake your body, make I see you whine. Whine up. New week, day your head, make you shine. Shine up. Money no be problem, we go buy. Buy up. Stephanie touch, not the vibe. Oh na na, she be queen for the hair game. Hair game, any style where you want to go maintain. Maintain, from frontal to braids, you go arrange.
So at this point, you have to be careful while cutting out the wig cap so that you won't cut the main closure nets. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. I drop detailed tutorials on this channel. This is the outcome. This is how beautiful it looks. I have detailed tutorials on how to ventilate. This video is just all about how to cut out a 6x6 closure and also how to sew it on a wig cap. So guys, check out for the other videos and see you in my next video. Bye.